Get ready to glow with me. Today, I'm sharing my full routine from my go-to facial soap and my Art Goat edge control to my turmeric body regimen and my hair boosting botanical butter. And the best part, where I'm heading to the Cheesecake Factory for my ultimate lunch. Let's do this. I'm spilling all my beautiful secrets from my favorite facial soap to my Art Goat body scrub. Plus, I'm showing you my turmeric obsession and some hair growth hacks. And to celebrate Cheesecake Factory. First up, we have the Art Goat Turmeric Facial Cleanser. This is my holy grail for achieving an even skin tone. Here's why I love it. Deep cleaning and moisturizing. It's a fantastic cleanser that doesn't strip my skin. Dark spots removal. I've noticed a significant reduction in my dark spots since I've started using it. Anti-wrinkle properties. Who doesn't want that? I apply a small amount to my palm. I gently massage it onto my face and I rinse with warm water and I pat dry or I air dry for extra hydration. Next up, I'm using a hair oil from Arhgoat. This is a scalp treatment designed to repair your scalp, protect your hair roots, reduce frizz, and promote hair growth. Key ingredients. It's made with 100% all natural oils, including rosemary, tea tree, olive oil, fruit, and aloe vera oil, plus many more benefits of oils. I love doing this, starting off my get ready routine, because it really helps relax you. You could play a lot of great music and you can burn a candle. My hair did need to be washed. It was about 6 days old. So yes, getting into that scalp, massaging it, because I put that hair essential oils in there. So I really want to stimulate the blood and get straight to the scalp and penetrate the scalp with my fingers a little bit without damaging it, and get that blood flow to help promote beautiful, long, healthy hair. Once you shampoo with your favorite shampoo, you're going to rinse, and then you can put your favorite conditioner in Mousse. All right, I think that's enough massaging. The hair is getting a little bit tangled, so I'm going to apply some conditioner and deep finger detangle it and start putting that mousse in there, that Art Goat mousse. Don't worry, in 10 to 15 minutes, the mousse white that you see in the hair is going to just dissolve and disappear. So now I'm just applying a little bit of kinky curly just to detangle the hair a little bit in sections, because I really, really, really want this hair to look good. So I had a couple little knots, so it just helps get that extra little slip. And I love using a demi brush, you guys. I don't know what kind of brush you're using, but demi brushes are the way to go. They have different types. I have 3 different ones, and this one is personally my favorite. And I like to part my hair in sections and brush it. I always hold my hair when I brush it, so it prevents a lot of tugging, pulling from the actual follicles of my hair. So don't be too tough, don't be too rough with your hair, you know what I mean? Love it and it will love you. I just want to show you guys the difference. I didn't put nothing on here yet, and I put it on here. Look how it's weighing down those curls, getting that length retention. Yes, we'll just see what it's going to do about the frizz, but it is very silky and it's very easy to move my fingers throughout the hair. Yes, now this, edges, I put their edge control that locks in the twist. It's a great edge control, but it's just great for twist outs. If you have a little frizz, if you have mixed textured hair, you could put it in those areas that will, you know, puff up a little bit. That's what I like to do. I like to really put on top of my head because it gets so tangly and frizzy right in certain areas. And then at the end, I use the Art Goat, the Botanica oil butter Art Goat, and that promotes hair growth as well. And that is all 100% natural. And I love the smell of it. And it could go on your body as well. You guys, it's so good to use these items that can really enhance your hair growth.
Luscious curls.
Look at the fullness, you guys. Look how thick it made my hair look and how healthy it is and how shiny it is. I'm loving it. It's so soft to the touch. It's just not even crunchy. Look how defined the little wavy curl hair is, because some of my hair, you know, I need a haircut. It doesn't curl out like this. Y'all already know from the previous videos, but it did its thing. No flakes. And this is day 1 hair. It looks like day 3. I did blow dry it, you guys, so this is like an hour later, 2 hours later after blow drying it. Guys, that mousse, girl, it works. It works. Look at that. Thanks for getting ready with me, you guys. Now I've got to eat some delicious lunch at the Cheesecake Factory, and this is the outfit I decided to wear. All my links will be down below. Yeah, I sure did. That one poured out too fast. What a perfect get ready with me. Now you guys see everything that I do when I get ready to go out to lunch, and you can't leave the Cheesecake Factory without getting a good slice of cheesecake. Ouch! Well, the door almost hit me, you guys, but I'm all good. Subscribe to my channel.
Okay, Art Goat. There we go. See that, you guys? This is with the mousse. No flakes. Fluffiness, fullness. Edge control. Edges are looking good. See? It's tapered down. Wow. And it's shiny. And it smells good too. Yes, got those curls back, got it popping. Finally found a product that actually works for my hair. My hair likes it. Look at that. Who would have known that a girl with this type of hair, that mousse would do the trick? Wow. Let me show you guys. That is so pretty. Wow. Thanks, Arhgoat. Shoot. Luscious curls.